Oh my goodness. I start to smell it. Need some Maya reaction. Okay, starting to have it. See a little bit of a yellowish starting. Good, 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 good. I have my cream ready. Start hot. See the golden color start to pop up. It took me around 10 minutes until this stage. I put fire a little bit strong. See? It needs a little bit further intensify. Otherwise, it's just sugary sugar. It's not fun. We need that Maillard reaction about coming to the water. The water inside the sugar is getting saturated, exhausted, extracted, evaporated, so it's burning the sugar. It's a bit hot here. Good, good. Before it's getting burnt. Smells good. Okay, this golden juice. This is the fun part. See? Okay, time to put in. I slow down the fire, put in the cream. Almost no fire. Okay, I can smell it, the goodness. Okay. Okay, now we put pumpkin spice. We use spoon. A big heap spoonful of pumpkin spice. Pumpkin puree. Turn the fire stronger. Look at it. Sea salt. Hello. That's it. And the vanilla paste. So instead of vanilla extract, I put in vanilla paste. 1 spoonful. Okay. That is it. I am about to bottling it. From time to time. It's hot. Now wear my glove. This is so condensed, so very condensed. So there is sugar caramelized, and then pumpkin spice, and then pumpkin, and then vanilla. That's it. Bring it to a full boil. Okay, we do. I forgot to turn it on. So I bring it to a full boil, completely boiling, and big bubble. Now I let it cool down and not yet totally turn off the fire. Simmer for another some time. See, this is the boil I want. It comes to a full boil. Every molecule is getting to the high temperature. Now we turn the fire slow, very, very, very slow. Now I need to bottle it. Okay. Refrigerator. So I did not put butter. Instead, I put heavy whipping cream. The difference is that butter, later on, it will separate because it's butter. It's fat, right? It's greasy part, and it does not melt so well with water. With time, it separates from water, so you have layer. But with cream, it does not have this layer. Now we are bottling it. Pumpkin spice, caramel sauce, do it. I think I can use I'm pretty good at it, usually. I think I will have one as a gift. Where's my small gift bottle? Are you seeing what I am seeing? Perfect. readjust this one. 4 bottles. Okay, that's it. And this one I will put into a small daily use bottle. This is for myself, does not have to be so pretty. Oh, I like golden lid. Is a little bit too heavy for my little hand. It's too heavy. Cannot do it. Okay, just too heavy for me. Oh, this is messy. Okay, I will stop here. It's a bit too messy. And this, I will clean it with my yogurt. It's for myself. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is illegal. It's too good. It is illegal. This I will give it to have sold some things and put my yogurt in.